this was my mistake, my decision was my mistake, and next time if she wants to take pursue any dream of her, 1000 बार सोचेगी वो कि यार मैं बताऊँ या नहीं बताऊँ. If chaos happen, everyone will insult me again. घर पे तो सारे लोग मना ही कर देंगे. I fought for everything: clothes, dreams, freedom, choices, and even the right to say, I want this. This was not an abrupt or sudden change. How early restrictions kill women's confidence and decision making, let me tell you through my personal story. So, I grew up in a joint and extremely orthodox family where every decision used to be taken like a court case, where district court was my father, and high court was my father and uncle, and Supreme Court was my grandparents. So, till 6th or 7th grade, I mostly wore frocks and skirts. One day, I felt like wearing jean. One day my Masi came over. She took me to market. She bought me a jean and top. So you won't imagine the chaos that happened at that day in house. My grandparents said, अच्छे घर की लड़कियां ये सब नहीं पहनती हैं, इसमें टांगे दिखती हैं, ये सब पहन के बाहर मत चली जाना. And my father said, this is the last jean. Further onward, you will not buy any jean. और कुछ भी खरीद लेना. एंड आई सैड कि सभी लड़कियां पहनती हैं एंड आप इस गरीब सोच में जी रहे हो. माई ग्रैंड मदर सैड कि ऐसे बात करती हो लड़कियों के, लड़कियां इस तरीके से बड़ों से बात नहीं करती है, यू शुड बी शेमफुल. I went straight into my room and I cried a lot. But something inside me said that I will make you all change, no matter how much I have to fight for that. I started wearing that one jean of mine again and again. The people in the family started saying that moti lag rahi ho tum, this type of dress doesn't fit on girls who are healthier. I was just a healthy child. ठीक है, अगर तुम उनकी बात मानते हो, then you are an obedient girl. And if you don't, then you are not. Next time I said to my mother that I want to buy a jean, and then my mother said कि let me ask your father, and my father said कि नहीं 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 लाना है, मना किया था ना, and all of that. Then my mother said कि ठीक है, अगर तुम्हारे पापा ने कुछ बोला that's your matter. I was like कि ठीक है, I will see. I went anyway, and again they insulted वही सारी क्यों सोई, मतलब तुमसे मना किया था फिर भी तुम ऐसे काम करती हो. They were like कि ठीक है, अगर पहनना भी है तो you can wear jean with kurta. And I was so young, यार. I was like कि no. Gradually from that day, I handled the insult. If you have that courage to handle that insult, that century old thinking of that taunts, if you can argue, if you can handle that criticism, then after a time things gradually change. And if you can't handle that insult and that criticism, that bombardment of shitty things, then you have to wear that decision of their. I started to wear what I wanted to wear. When I used to wear, they used to compare कि you are not obedient, लड़कियों को देखो अपने parents के according चलती हैं. The thing is not about jean or any western clothes. The thing is about the thought pattern. If you are seeing that girl in an inappropriate way, that तुम्हारी टांगे दिख रही है, तुम्हारा ये दिख रहा है, तुम्हारा वो दिख रहा है, तो how come a girl will feel safe in her own house? How come a girl will be confident enough to wear things of her choice? And they start to manipulate that. They try to break your confidence. So another incident is of body shaming. So my family went to attend a wedding in another city. So I wore crop top and a skirt. It was a full neck top, and they were like, it is so fitted. Some of the members said, why don't you wear any dupatta? And I was like, this dress doesn't have any dupatta. कि सभी लोग ऐसे देखेंगे. And I was like, कि कोई नहीं देखेगा, आप लोग ही ऐसे वो कर रहे हो, है ना? When I said this statement, मतलब तुम मोटी हो, that's why. And I swear I wasn't. I was a normal healthy child. कि मतलब पतली लड़कियों पे तो ये सारी चीज़ें अच्छी लगती हैं, मोटी लड़कियों पे ये सारी चीज़ें अच्छी नहीं लगती हैं. And you are supposed to wear loose clothes. They crushed my confidence every single time. Body shaming is so much common. What is the worst thing about it? So middle class orthodox joint families, every time a girl is made to feel that ठीक है, अगर कम height रह जाती है, so they are like oh she's not that tall. If she's tall, that oh she's lambo. If she's healthier, oh she's moti. And if she's thin, then so much thin. हर चीज में प्रॉब्लम है, हर चीज में प्रॉब्लम है उनको. A girl start to doubt herself. A girl start to doubt her own choices. So let me tell you third incident. So I passed class 10th. Most of my friends was going to a particular school, and firstly my father was not ready. So anyhow मैंने मनाया उनको, and he was like ठीक है चलो. After 11th my father said कि तुम change कर लो. Also my father was suggesting me to join a particular school. This school is better, you should join that school. ठीक है. I was like कि no, मैं इसमें ही ठीक हूँ. I want to prepare for NEET. Okay. My father said कि if you make this particular school, then or close to this particular school, I will talk to all the family members for your coaching. So unfortunately I couldn't score that much. My family was hoping me to score. So my father still today, अभी तो मतलब थोड़ा कम बोलते हैं, but मतलब पहले तो बहुत ज़्यादा बोलते थे. If you have been in that school, so you have scored that much. And ठीक है, I took that decision. I have to wear that much criticism for taking that single decision. So after my 12th board, I decided to prepare for NEET. I told everyone very proudly that I want to pursue this thing, and except my mother and father, no one supported me. तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा, and all of these shitty things, and slowly they killed that dream inside me. I fought a lot, cried. I uh, said कि मुझे करना है and all of that, but they denied very clearly that हम नहीं करवाएंगे. Not because I wasn't capable, they never believed कि I can, take decision. In a sequential manner, things takes place. Firstly, they will restrict you from doing particular things. If anyhow you pursue your things according to your choices, if in any case a decision of yours doesn't get successful, then they will scold, drag you in that cycle of guilt so badly, then it next time you will think कि no, मुझे decision नहीं लेना है. Either तुम या तो लड़ते ही रहोगे या फिर तुम अपने डिसीजन लेना ही बंद कर दोगे. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल उतना क्रिटिसिज्म, उतना हार्श रूडनेस, आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, मॉकिंग उतना नहीं सहन कर पाते हैं. नेक्स्ट टाइम यू विल थिंक कि ठीक है, इनको कराना है तो करने दो. दे विल नॉट ट्रीट यू लाइक दिस वाज योर मिस्टेक, दे विल ट्रीट यू लाइक दिस वाज योर डिसीजन एंड अब झेलो. If their decision is wrong, they will not say any. They will say that we thought that this is for your betterment, this is for your better future. Oh, my ability to take decision was beaten, insulted, criticized out of me. You can reclaim your power. You can rebuild it. You can choose for yourself again. If you don't obey their decisions, so they will start to compare you. That look at that girl. She obey her parents. You are so stubborn. You always take your decision, and this is what these type of arguments देते हैं वो लोग. What is the main problem with girls? Every time if any chaos happen due to your decision in your house, so you will made to feel that this is your mistake, this is your mistake, and इतना ज़्यादा गिल्ट में तुमको वो लोग डाल देंगे ना, that this is what you did, and this इसकी वजह से इसकी तबीयत खराब हो रही है, ये हो रहा है, इसकी वजह से पता है ये हो रहा है, and हमने तो बोला ही था और अब ऐसे हो गया, अब क्या करेंगे, एंड इतना ज़्यादा गिल्ट में डाल देता है. That child start to think that this was my mistake, my decision was my mistake, and next time if she wants to take pursue any dream of her, हजार बार सोचेगी वो कि यार मैं बताऊँ या नहीं बताऊँ. If chaos happen, everyone will insult me again, घर पे तो सारे लोग मना ही कर देंगे. She ends up breaking her dream.